Good morning, students of class 8. Uh, Previous class exercise 3F we have started. Question number 6 I have done. Today I am explaining question number 8. See that the number is given 0.2916. So others number, see that before point some digits are there, but here 0 is there. So this is a separate pattern. Okay, that's why question number 8 I have done. 0.2916 square root you have to find. So in long division method, how we have to do? 0.2916 we have written. From right side we are making pair, first pair, second pair, and this is alone. So 1 dash we have given. Now 0, first what we have to do? This 0 we have to put here. Okay. After putting 0, what is there? Point is there. So direct we will put point here. Now we will take the pair 29. So maximum which square it will go? 25. So 5 5s are 25. Then 4 is coming. Then next pair we have to bring 16. Now double of 5 we have to do. Double of 5 means 0.5 we will not take. Only the digits we will take. Point we will not take when we are doubling the number. So here we have to double of 5. So 5 2s are 10. Now here we are giving dash and here also dash. Now maximum which number we have to put such that it will be nearest to 416 or 416. So just see that if we will put 4 here, 104 into 4, it's directly coming 416. So remainder is coming 0 and square root over. So square root of 0.2916 means 0.54. So when 0 point something is there, in this way you have to solve. Now I am going question number 9. Evaluate root 3 up to 2 places of decimal. That means square root of 3 you have to find up to 2 places of decimal you have to keep. That means after point 2 digits you have to keep. So how we will do? See that 3 we have written. When 2 places of decimals you have to find, on that time minimum 3 pairs you have to take. See that only 3 is there in your question. So minimum 3 pairs you have to take. So how you will take? After 3 you have to give 1 point and then 2 0 2 0 2 0. See that after point 3 pairs we have taken. Since here it is 2 places of decimals you have to find, so 3 pairs we have taken. Now simple as before we have to do. So from the right side we have taken pair, first one, this pair, second, third and 3 is alone. So first by 1, 1s are 1, because 2 2s are 4, it will come, it will not go. So 1 1s are 1, 1 square. So 2 is coming. Then see that after doing this, point is there. So point we have to put here. Then next pair, double 0 will come. Then double of 1. Double of 1 means 2. Now what we have to put here? Maximum by 7 it's going. So 27 into 7, 189 is coming. 11 is coming in the remainder. Then we have to bring the next pair, double 0. Now see that 17. So 17 we have to do double of 17. So double of 17 is coming 34. Now we have to think this number. So maximum by 3 it's going. So 343 into 3 it's coming 1029. 71 is coming in the remainder. And then we have bring the another pair. So it's coming 173. Double of 173 means 346. Now we have to think about this number. So maximum by 2 it's going. You have to do in rough that maximum which number will be nearest to 7100 or 7100. So here by maximum by 2 it's going 6924 and the remainder is coming 176. So here 2 places of decimals means after point you have to keep 3 digits and here you have to take 3 pairs of zeros. Now see that here 2 is there. So when the third digit is less than 5, before that digit 1 we have to add when we will convert in approximate. So how we will do? Since it is less than 5, 3 plus 1 we have to do. So it is approximately equal to, this is less than 5. So what we have to do? Less than 5 means that number will be same. And if this is equal to 5 or greater than 5, 1 we have to add with this number. So this is approximately equal to 1.73 because this is less than 5, that's why. So square root of 3 equal to 1.73, and within bracket you have to write correct up to 2 places of decimal. Okay. Now the next sum also same types of sum. Question number 10, square root of 2.8 correct up to 2 places of decimal. That means after point you have to take 3 pairs. So how we have taken 2.8 already given this one. So after point we are taking 3 pairs. So 8 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. Then simple process. However you have done 1 1s are 1. 1 is coming 80, then double of 1 2. Then we have to we have put it 6 here, 156 is coming. Then double of 16 32. Then 7 we have put it, so it's coming 2289. Then double of 167, it's coming 334, and then we have put it 3 here. So remainder is coming this one. That process you can do. So, and whenever after doing the first step, point you have to put here. Now see that in the third digit up to 2 places of decimal, that's why after point 3 digits we have keep. Now this 3 is less than 5, that means 7 will be same. If that number will be greater than 5 or equal to 5, 1 you have to add with this number. So this is approximately equal to 1.67. So square root of 2.8 equal to 1.67, and this is correct up to 2 places of decimals. Now question number 11 also in the same way you have to do. 0.9 is there, so you have to make the pair up to 2 places of decimals. So 900000. On the same way question number 10 you have to do the long division, and see that 0.9, that process I am not explaining because you can understand. So 0.945, see that the last digit 5, so this is equal to 5. So with 4 we have to add 1, so approximately equal to this will come 0.95. So square root of 0.9 means 0.95, correct up to 2 places of decimals.